Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be showing you how to make a RGB LED glow like this step by step. First, let's create some pin variables. Note the red anode pin of the RGB LED is connected to the 4 pin in the Arduino board and so on. Next, let's create a void function which will take unsigned ints as arguments and then analog write them to their respective pins. Let's start with the LED off in the setup and start with red in the loop. We shall create an unsigned int array of 3 named RGB color. Note that the number in the square brackets should be 2, not 3. Then let's create a for loop which will decide which color to dim and which color to brighten and let the decreasing color value to increase by 1, that is, go to the next color. Also, let's create a logic to decide the increasing number, that is, if the decreasing color is blue, then the increasing color is red. Otherwise, the increasing color will be the next color of the decreasing color. This can be written shortly in one line using the ternary operator, that is, if the condition before the question mark is truthy, then the code after the question mark will be executed. Otherwise, if the condition before the question mark is falsy, then the code after the colon will be executed. Then let's create a for loop to crossfade the colors and give the animation its effect. Then let's dim the LED 8-bit. You can customize it as you wish. Also, let's slow down the crossfading by putting a delay of 3 milliseconds. You can customize this as you wish too. You can pause this video to see the pin diagram of the RGB LED. The materials required are 4 jumper wires, an RGB LED, a breadboard, an Arduino board, and a power cable. Then let's set up the circuit according to the pin diagram and the code. Red anode of the LED to digital pin 4 on the Arduino board, green to D3, blue to D2, and ground pin of the RGB LED to ground pin on Arduino board. Now I will connect my Arduino board to the computer and upload the code. As you can see, our code is working as expected. I will switch off the lights now.